Alright everyone, it's still Tuesday night, 10th October 2017, it's 9:30. I've decided to have a little look at the gubbins in this internal floppy disk drive. This is out the A600. I thought I would continue, as I've done the external drive, and I did the videos for all that for that tonight. I'm hoping to get it uploaded tonight as well, but we'll see on that. But anyway, as I did that tonight, I thought I'd continue the theme. I know it'll be boring, but I need to have a look at this one anyway, to just determine how dirty it is inside and what it's going to require. It was working, don't get me wrong. It's just going to need get some of this corrosion removed. Get some of the corrosion there removed, and possibly just a clean out. Really, I'm waiting for that IPA isopropyl iso. Oh Christ, I don't even know how to pronounce it. That alcohol stuff that you use for cleaning. Now, what am I looking for? Yeah, I'm looking for a screwdriver bit. This cover is secured by two little screws, so that needs to be undone. So this will be a short video. I don't think I'll yarn on much more tonight. That's actually quite easy to come out, that one. I'll set that down there. And that one came out good too. Like most of these things, they've got little tabs on them. There we go. Now, to be honest, I wouldn't know if this was particularly dirty or not, but it seems reasonably clean inside. There's a bit of dirt on here. I think by what I've learned is this here are the reading heads. And they seem okay. A little bit of dust accumulated around them, but the heads themselves seem to be clean. But when that alcohol stuff arrives, I'll give it I'll give everything a wipe with a cotton bud. I am seeing the odd bit of hair and dust in here, fuzz and fur. This little tab here is quite corroded, gotten. That's just one of the guides for the floppy disk drive to go in. So I'm not going to investigate that any further tonight, I don't think. I'll just wait until the alcohol arrives, and then I'll get stuck in about it and cleaned up. The motor here has got a little drive shaft on it. Take that in so you can see it a bit better. There. And there seems to be some grease present. So I don't think that's needing anything. It's clumped up at the base a little bit, so I'll just give it a A little bit of a spread over there. So it's certainly not dried out. Right, I think that's it, folks. I'm not going to do any much more to it than that. I'm just going to clean up this corrosion. I'll not do that more tonight. I'll leave that for another night. So I think I'll just put this back on, and yeah, nothing exciting there. I was expecting maybe it to be a little bit worse than it actually is. So I think I'll not bother with this video. I might, I don't know, just for completion's sake. It's only 5 minutes. And you're getting an indication of the condition of it as well. I know that it's going to take long to clean up, but right. Okay, inspection complete. I hope you've found it interesting. Bye for now.